Hello, my YouTube family. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Wendy Shanarigan, and this is a place where we talk about everything DIY, renovations, life, and lifestyle, and more. So if you like this, please continue to watch. So today, I just wanted to show you what I'm doing to prepare for a guest. This is not elaborate, but I just want you to see what you can do just on a dime. So what I've done is I've actually put the itinerary, the Wi-Fi, and the password, and what's happening each day on in a beautiful picture frame that I already had, and I printed this out on my printer so that way they can see what the itinerary is each day and they don't have to keep asking for what the Wi-Fi password is, or no, I keep asking what time we're leaving. So also, really quickly, we have a basket of goodies, because sometimes when you're in your room, you just don't feel like coming out, especially if you're in the room for the night and you just get a little bit hungry and you're in your night clothes. And since you're in a place that's not your official home, although we do hope that they feel like they're home, you can always get your goodies here. These are all goodies we had at this house for our two boys. Now, I know not everyone has a spare refrigerator, but we did have a spare refrigerator, and we put all of our spare our drinks that we were going to put in the room here, and actually a few other drinks as well. But we have that here in this refrigerator, and yes, that way again they don't have to leave out of the room in order to get quench their thirst. We are leaving our blinds open to make it have a more warm and welcoming feel. That it also, because the room is a little bit smaller, opening up the blinds and having that wonderful daylight come in helps make the room feel more warm, welcome, and larger. Because when you're in the bed, you just don't feel like getting up, we also have the same sheet about the information of what's going to occur here on the bed. On the nightstand. An extra pillow, well, not pillow, excuse me, extra throw on the bed. And then we put a candle that I plan on lighting in a few minutes when she gets here. Of course, this is our Glow and Co candle. So you can take a look there. And the scent here, if you don't know, it is Vanilla Cone. So that is my company. Some tissues. Yellow is a welcoming color. And we have it very well access for our remote controls. Now, also, some things you just don't think about. Want to make sure she has enough, or they have enough towels and washcloths here. And we have some more sheets just in case, and some more towels and washcloths here. Let's go to the bathroom. So they do have their own bathroom, and I did not show you all that we did upgrade the paint in our bathroom as well. We just did a halfway mark because eventually up top, we would like to put wallpaper, a textured look. Just in case they forgot their toiletries because they're flying in, we have a few toiletries here, some smell good stuff, lotion, cleaned up really. It smells really good in here. Oh, my husband did this. It smells really good. Toothbrush holder, and then of course we have a few things just in case they forgot their shampoo and conditioner. Now these are just our decorative towels, and we got this from Etsy. It is my husband's. They're my husband's initials, but yeah. No, it's not. Wait a minute. I'm lying. AS and WS. Okay. My husband's initials AS and my initials WS. I lied. Okay. So that is it. Now I'll let you see the room. The room, decorative wise, okay, I did, and again, I didn't pay for anything, but it's nice and clean. I'm the type of person, I'm going to give you exactly what I got. This is not, I don't have an interior decorator decorating this room. And it's not extremely fancy, but there are wow moments when you enter this room, right? Wow moment would be the itinerary, the snacks. You have your wow moment with the refrigerator. They're gonna come in and it's gonna smell so good over here. Of course, they have their closet wow moment when they have all the toiletries that they need in here, and it's going to smell good. It already smells good now. So I just wanted to give you just a few tips on some things that you could do just to upscale your guest bedroom for visitors, because the guest bedroom it normally doesn't get as much attention as the rest of your house. And I know that inflation and a recession is coming in, but it's also holiday season, so people will be visiting. So these are just some tad bits that you can do to make your visitors stay even more pleasant. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this type of comment, like, subscribe, comment, and peace.